Ever feel like your sales vanish the second you stop running ads? Let's fix that. Most Shopify owners fall into the same trap. You run ads, spend money, maybe get a few sales, but when the ads stop, so does your traffic. That's not a business, that's a dependency. Here's where SEO changes everything. Instead of chasing customers, SEO helps them find you every single day, without paying for every click. When your products rank on Google, your store gets seen, even while you sleep. But here's the catch: most stores ignore SEO. Their pages aren't optimized, no keywords, no structure, so Google passes them by. Meanwhile, your competitors who started SEO early? They're getting steady free traffic every day. The smartest move? Use ads for quick wins, but invest in SEO for real, long-term growth. Stop renting traffic, start owning it. Savlo SEO Services. Visit savlo.co.uk.